Hi guys, you're watching Ride Comparisons and we're here today at our second favourite UK theme park, Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
Well, my third.
Jacob's third favourite.
Thought park second.
So we weren't going to come up here, but Valhalla's opened and we just want to get sort of an update on the park. Valhalla's supposed to be one of the wettest water rides in the UK and everyone says it's amazing. We never got the chance to experience it before the refurb, so we're going to dive into that straight away, see what that's like. You've also got a new speedy pass. It's called the VIP speedy pass. It costs £50 and apparently it reduces 90% of the queue times. So that will basically mean that every single ride is walk on all day, but it is very expensive. We've got the normal speedy pass because it's never let us down before, has it?
No.
So 25 for the normal speedy pass. Blackpool Pleasure Beach, here we go. Here we are guys, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. They confiscated my selfie stick for my GoPro, so the angle might not be great guys, but I just think that's a little bit of a weird restriction. They let the camera come in, but they take the selfie stick and they've given me a little ticket to collect it at the end, because apparently loads of people were using selfie sticks on the rides and they were dropping them and stuff like that. I get regulations, but it just seems like a bit of a weird one to me. So yeah, very bizarre.
Were you allowed the camera?
So we've heard Valhalla is extremely wet and we don't want to be miserable right at the start of our day, so we're going to go and check out the big one first. It was closed last time we were here for a partial retrack, so hopefully we can get a ride on the big one.
Yeah. No, it's close to this window.
We got the Grand National here guys. Last time we were here it was retracked and we tested it. It is a lot smoother.
Or we just got a good seat on it.
Or we just got a good seat on it. Gotta love Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
Yeah.
Go on Jacob, run through the fountains.
Nah.
Get prepared for Valhalla.
Nah.
Nah. Got the river caves here guys, you get very wet feet. We've never actually been on it during the day, we've only done it on Journey to Hell, haven't we? So we might have a go and see what it's actually supposed to be like, because it's always dark when we've been in there. Oh, there it goes. One of the UK's most hated rides. One of only 3 SLCs in the UK. It's Infusion. You gonna go on it?
It's awful.
Oh, it's all right.
Hurts my head. Always cold with red.
So many people waiting for Infusion to open. That's a shocker. So we've queued Icon on the Speedy Pass and we've come straight to the big one and it's already got a big queue.
Yeah.
Not as bad as it usually is though.
I've seen worse. 2 hours.
What is it, 215 feet?
13.
213 feet. Next year when Project Exodus opens, Jacob made the joke, it's going to be called the not so big one. Oh, it was closed last time we were here guys. This is going to be an absolute treat. The big one everybody. Been so long. You ready? Guys, I'm disappointed. I don't know what they've done. They've retracked it, but it's more painful than ever. What do you think, Jacob?
It's brutal.
It's absolutely brutal. We've done so many hypercoasters now, so like Shambhala, Hyperion, I mean even Stealth. That is so painful. I don't know what they've done to it.
I still love this rock.
Yeah, it's just
hurts.
I don't know, it just throws you to the left.
Yeah, you see.
Still a good coaster, still the UK's tallest, but ouch. You're going to go on Infusion, surely?
Infusion's far worse.
We will see.
Hurts my head.
We will see. For now, we've got Icon on the Speedy Pass, guys. There goes Revolution, the most thrilling and exciting ride of your life.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Please stand behind the yellow line. We got Avalanche there, guys. It's still our #1 bobsled coaster. What do you reckon, Jacob?
Yeah.
So we did one at Park Asterix, we've done one at Europa Park. Where else have we been? I can't remember where the other one was, but the one in Blackpool, it may be the shortest, but it's definitely the best and most intense.
Yeah.
So don't miss Avalanche, guys. So it's now time for Icon, guys. Dare to Ride.
I love
UK's multi-launch mat coaster. It also has a spinning seat on the back, but they have a surplus charge of, I think it's £15, isn't it?
Yeah.
We did it last time, if you want to check that out in the previous vlog, guys. They either need to scrap it, so you got the back seats of Icon back, or just turn all of the seats spinning, so it'd be sort of be like Ride to Happiness, I reckon. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You still ride it normally in the back.
Icon is often expressed as the UK's top coaster, UK's #1 by quite a lot of people. Personally, ours is a smiler.
I do love Icon still.
We still love Icon, but, you know.
I like it more than them.
You are about to embark on an optical procedure. What do you think of Icon then, Jacob?
Still really enjoy it.
Yeah, it's definitely more rideable than old big one over there.
Smoothest ride in the Revolution.
The launch was a bit better that time. Last time we came it was a bit tame, wasn't it?
Because it's warmer today.
Yeah, a bit warmer, so yeah, take that as a note, guys.
Loads of ejector.
Loads of ejector, yeah. If you do want to try a ride outside of England that's similar to Icon, and in my opinion better, go to Europa Park and try Blue Fire. It is incredible. Jacob thinks Icon's better though, don't you? Nah, Blue Fire's awesome. We got Speedy Pass, guys, so we're going to have another go on Icon. Why not? The new VIP one, honestly, don't waste your money, because the normal Speedy Pass is good enough. Oh, do you want to go on the little cars? What? Is that not enough adrenaline for you?
We did them before. Did them in the dark.
So we just got stuck in the Icon queue line because there was a technical fault. Operation's not great today. We've had a front row ride and a back row ride, haven't we, Jacob?
Yeah.
I think it's better at the front. Jacob thinks it's better at the back. Don't know why. He thinks there's more airtime at the back. But it's the world's most pointless turnstile. Why?
Oh, not weighing up here.
So we can't see Valhalla on the Speedy Pass app, so I'm really hoping it's open because it was the main reason we came. We were going to go to Drayton Manor because I haven't done a 1 minute theme park yet, but we decided to come here for Valhalla. So really hoping it's open, guys. Just for the record, guys, that carousel is awesome. So there's a big queue for it. It doesn't appear to be open yet. It's not on the Speedy Pass app, but here we are, guys, at Valhalla. You can see so far, awesome theming. It didn't look like this last time we were here. You got the fire there, the Vikings standing. So as it stands, guys, Chiapas at Fantasialand, RiverQuest at Fantasialand, and Tidal Wave are our top 3 water rides. What do you think? Same?
Yeah.
Agreed? So we've never been on Valhalla before. We didn't go on it before the refurb. It's going to be our first experience on it, and we can't wait. Will it beat Chiapas? A lot of people have said it will. We've been told to come here quite a few times, so this is going to be a very good experience. But for now, we've got Ice Blast booked on the Speedy Pass app, so we might as well give it a go. We've been Blackpool so many times, but we've never been on this. I think today's the day we need to do it. It looks kind of fun. Oh, here goes Ice Blast. love Ice Blast, a nice little reverse drop tower there. So I just spoke to the ride operator for Valhalla. He said they're currently going through technical difficulties. They don't have an opening time, but it will be available on the Speedy Pass. So, I mean, if we wait in that humongous queue, we're probably going to waste half our day. So hopefully they get it up and running soon. And as soon as it is, we just press that Speedy Pass button straight away. I think we should finally go on this for now, though. We've never been on it, have we?
No.
So we might as well give this a go whilst we're waiting. So we come to the food part of the vlog, guys. We don't have a big lunch today. We've got an Ice Blast after going on Ice Blast, and some donuts. Don't know if they're any good. These are very good donuts. The ones at Fort Park are a bit gross, aren't they? Of course, Valhalla has opened just as we got on the flying machines. Just our luck.
Yeah.
These are scary, guys. There's no lap bar or seat belt or anything. Guys, these things are horrific. I don't like sky swings. They're not safe. This isn't one, but look, this is all you have. This is not safe.
It's windy.
It's horrible. Don't like it.
Of course Valhalla open.
Flying machines were good, but I just wanted to get off them so I could get in the queue for this. Speedy Pass app, guys. It can be very annoying if you can't get the Wi-Fi, and when there's loads of people, 4G doesn't work very well, so bear that in mind. So hopefully we can get something else booked whilst we're in the queue. But for now, it's finally time to try out Valhalla. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but everyone is coming off absolutely soaked. I don't know what we let ourselves in here. Oh my god, Jacob, what do you think?
Soaked. Wet.
Absolutely drenched. Incredible, absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
That, you know, I've been saying in loads of vlogs that Chiapas at Phantasialand and River Quest at Phantasialand are the best water rides in the world. That's destroyed them. That's absolutely destroyed them. That is absolutely brilliant, that, guys.
That's as wet as tidal wave.
That is as wet. That is a new reason to come to Blackpool, guys. I mean, we've done so many coasters around the world, so Icon and the big one are just a little bit tame for us, but
I still like Icon.
Is absolutely incredible, and you guys need to get to Blackpool and go on it. It's amazing. We're going to go straight back on it. We got Speedy Pass. It's probably a bad idea, but we've, you know, I've got to experience that again. It's still incredible, but yeah, the second time was a bad idea. I have one dry patch.
I'm so cold.
Jacob was just saying it's the wettest we've ever gotten on a water ride. He's definitely right. Absolutely brilliant. I think I need to tip the water out of my shoes. Me and Jacob don't really know what to do because we've never been this wet on a water ride before. We didn't bring a change of clothes. Now, I mean, it's not like your normal water ride. It's not like a tiny bit of water. Like, everything is full on waterlogged. I feel like I'm standing in puddles. But we've got Icon queued on the Speedy Pass, so we're going to go see if it can dry us off. So we've been on the big one in Icon. We're still soaked.
Yeah.
Hair's starting to dry now. So we thought we'd give Revolution a go. Yeah, we found out that the big one hurts more if you're sitting on the right.
And then the back of it.
So yeah, the only complaint that I've really got with Valhalla, guys, is they make you take your bags on. They really should have a separate bag area because my bag is absolutely soaked. I'm not sure why they do that, but it would be a lot better if they just, you know, all it takes is a little bit on the wall. Revolution, here we go. So dodgy coming up these steps. Get a nice view though. Trying to dry my feet. We're going to go on Nickelodeon Street next, which was the wooden coaster you just saw. Blackpool's got 4 wooden coasters, hasn't it? So you got the Nickelodeon Street there. You got the Big Dipper, which is currently going for a refurb. You got Grand National, which they retracked and was actually pretty good last time we came. What's the other one?
Blue Fly.
Oh yeah, Blue Fly. You got a little one for the kiddies. I don't think we've been on that before, have we? No. So yeah, this is Nickelodeon Street, guys. Are you ready, Jacob? No. I can't hear you. So this is sort of the little kiddies area, guys, Nickelodeon Land. Is this the Krusty Krab? No, this is Patrick. I'm embarrassing Jacob. Hey, Nickelodeon Street, here we go. So it's not clearly marked which one's the Speedy Pass queue and which one's the normal queue. There's a bit down there that says weigh in, but everybody seems to be waiting there. So you've got Speedy queue and you've got normal people. People are getting turned away. So I think we might have to give this one a miss. Because yeah, I don't really want to wait in that. So this one's the not so speedy queue. Blackpool Pleasure Beach, if you're watching, you need to get a sign. We've been on it loads of times though, I'm not too fussed, are you? Yeah. We've been on Icon 3 times, so we might have another go on that. I haven't seen this before. That's really well themed. Really well themed. Oh god no, don't get me wet, please. We're only just starting to get dry. So I think we're pretty much done with our update, guys. We're going to try the pizza and pasta because it's got better prices than Merlin there. We'll let you know at the end if it's any good. You had a good day, Jacob?
Yeah.
Valhalla's definitely a highlight, but guys, if you're coming and you're going to go on it, bring a spare pair of clothes. I'm telling you that now.
Yeah.
100%. We're just going to re-ride Icon now. There's a lot more here to do at the park. You've got Avalanche, we haven't been on Infusion, but Jacob won't go on Infusion with me. And there's just so much here to do, but we've been so many times. We've done the main bits. Oh, Jacob wants pizza pasta, smells so good. So if you did enjoy today's vlog, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Very good pizza pasta, guys. Much better than Merlin. Very good for value for money.